Officer, you smell nice today.
You can smell?
Of course, love is in the air.
Oh my gosh!
Mayday! Mayday! We have a catastrophic fabric tension breach! Evacuate all remaining pastries!
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo.
What in the? Ha! No way. All right then.
Move. Rank first, chair second.
Did you hear that?
Hey, that's my lunch.
Now it's evidence.
Oh, no way. Hello to that.
Oh, that's rich. Yeah, very funny.
I'm calling for backup right now.
Call a therapist. You need one more than a cop.
Therapist!
Tell me, what is hurting your little heart today?
You're not my therapist.
Shh, let the healing begin. First advice, give me snacks.
You are strong. You are powerful. You can fill paperwork.
I believe in me.
I'm calling for backup right now.
Call a therapist. You need one more than a cop.
Officer down, officer down. I repeat, the cargo hold has exceeded the maximum suggested intake volume.
Come on.
Yeah, real funny.
Turn off the high beams, Kojak! You're blinding the pilots up there!
Hey, stop! I can't write a report like that.
It's abstract. It's modern.
Oh, no way.
Look at me, I'm aerodynamic.
Oh, no way!
Good morning, detective. Let's solve crimes.
I just got here.
Drink. We work now.
Thanks.
Dispatch, this is Unit 4-2. I've got a stolen bike, suspect male, hoodie, eastbound.
The suspect is fleeing on a blue Schwinn. He's armed with a water bottle. I repeat, a water bottle. Send backup. Code red.
You look fantastic, honey. Very professional. And you look like her before picture. Yikes.